This isn't just any Ferrari. It's a 458 Italia, mid-engine, V8, naturally aspirated symphony. But when I found it, flat tires, busted windows, dead silence. It had been sitting for years, forgotten, fading, waiting for someone crazy enough to take it on. Why restore a Ferrari 458? Simple. When I was 16, I saw one blast down a California freeway. It was red, it was loud, it was freedom. This one, it came off an insurance lot. Salvage title, fire damage, but I saw more than metal. I saw potential. We started with a full teardown, bumper off, seats out, dash out, engine stayed in. I'm not that brave yet. We found rat nests, burnt wires, and a smell that should be classified as biohazard. But hey, it still had the factory exhaust. Win! The paint was toast. Clear coat gone. Burned panels on the rear quarter. So we sanded, primed, and painted it Rosso Corsa. Not close, exact. Ferrari's code. Seeing that color again, awe, gave me chills. Like meeting your hero, restored. Inside, disaster. Sticky buttons, melted trim, no working cluster. We swapped the steering wheel, added carbon overlays, restored the red stitching, and somehow rewired the fire-damaged loom. Yes, it took 4 weeks. No, I don't want to talk about it. Now to the heart. A 4.5L V8 that revs to 9,000 RPM. It hadn't turned over in years. We replaced coil packs, fuel injectors, all fluids, and Prancing. When it fired up, I got goosebumps. It sang. Roughly, but still sang. We added new Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, carbon mirrors, custom diffuser, and rebuilt the suspension with OEM Ferrari parts. Even reprogrammed the ECU to forget it was ever in a wreck. Clean slate. We took it out just before sunset. Roads were clear, sky was fire. That engine screamed like it missed being alive. And I swear, it smiled. This car went from fire damage to fire breathing. From forgotten to unforgettable. A Ferrari 458 deserves to be driven. And now, she's back where she belongs. Subscribe for more rescues. We're just getting started.